As one of the top higher education institutions in Florida, we are indeed committed to helping each of you achieve your individual goals for education and career success. The best is always our standard.
The building's a lot different now, but it's also still the same. The Emerald Coast Children's Advocacy Center building remains tucked in a neighborhood just off of John Sims Parkway. Many of the workers on the job to repair it from the fire damage it suffered back during the summer never knew that the building or its mission even existed in this quiet pocket of Niceville. Outside, a big dumpster sits to remove debris from the green-roofed building that's built to resemble a southern manor, complete with decks and porches. Workers prepare to cart some of the mess in order to make room for the beautifully remodeled building. Still, it's not the quiet place it used to be, at least for now, while tradesmen ply their work to restore the building to a usable condition. It has that new building smell, a combination of latex white paint and sawdust that makes you sneeze, and leaves a layer on your clothes as you come through. The building still has a ways to go, but it's on track to reopen in February of 2023. Not a moment too soon, according to ECCAC's president, Julie Porterfield.
So there's a lot of love in this building and a lot of memories, and I think when we bring it back to life, it's going to look different.
The people who used to work in this building provided a variety of services, from counseling to crisis intervention to the children of Okaloosa County who were abused and neglected. The sad truth is that more than 3 children enter the system in Okaloosa County alone every single day. Most of them need the services the Children's Advocacy Center provides if they're going to have a chance at a normal life after childhood trauma inflicted mainly by parents and guardians. It's a fact that isn't lost on the project foreman, Luke Philpott.
I think it's very humbling, number one. We hate the fact that you have to have a building like this and that you have to have this service, but it's a need. And these people do tremendous work. And, just coming in here, we built this building. Randy Wise Homes was involved in building this building 22 years ago. And to come back in after all that time and see all the names of the children on the walls and their handprints and their toes and just all the little things that CAC had done to memorialize those kids that came through here, it's kind of surreal to walk through and just see the impact that this structure and these people are having on these kids' lives.
With more than 22 years of doing good, it has a place right here for the people that are working on it right now, who've worked in the building in the past, and hopefully in the future, as well as the children who've benefited from it. For Mid-Bay News, I'm Christopher Saul.